Girl, you don't need any glue to secure your wig to your head. Here are my tips and tricks to get the most out of your snatch-proof wig band for a glueless application. So the first part's common sense. Just throw the wig band on, and you can wear it over a wig cap if you prefer. And I'm just gonna dive right into that wig. If you're just living your daily life, nothing crazy, you're good to go. But if you really want that secured to your head, get a hairpin, not a bobby pin, a hairpin. Remove the protective ends so when you pin through your lace, you don't make any holes. Now carefully slide that under your wig band. You can scratch yourself because you don't have the little protective end, so be careful. And I pin along the hairline and in the back. And girl, that wig isn't going anywhere. She's really gonna be stuck to your head. So once you have all that done, you are good to go. You can do hair flips. You could even do a little headbang moment. Your natural edges might peek out along the nape of your neck, but that wig isn't going anywhere. We have this available in 6 colors at shopwillbeauty.com.